A woman will never truly love you without these three things that I'm about to mention in this video. Okay, in this video, I'm actually going to highlight three things that women need for them to truly fall in love with you. Most guys, no, they give themselves false hope. No, there is this belief which they have actually put themselves into, like, you know what, a woman will just love a man if you are just good looking, or if you have money, or if you're just handsome. Okay, but that's actually far from the truth. A woman will love you because of these three things that I'm about to mention in this video. A woman will see the difference of a man from these other men because of these three things that I'm about to mention in this video. Okay, so if you're reaching this channel, my name is Godwin. Consider subscribing to the channel, that every time I make such kind of videos, you'll be the first person to know. Number one thing that a woman will see a difference and also will definitely fall in love with you is when you are compatible on each other. Okay, you are the couples, you are the people in love who usually understand each other's weakness. Okay, you are the people in love who most of the times you are able to relate, more especially when it comes to characters, when it comes to strength, when it comes to, your religion, all these things. No, you are working in oneness. Okay, a woman will see the difference in you. A woman will truly fall in love with you. Most of the times you find people having spiritual beliefs differently. The other one is a Muslim, the other one is a Christian. Somehow those kind of relationship doesn't last, because you need to believe in one thing. Even just in life, you find out that most marriages or relationship, once you involve with some certain people, with some certain partner, you find things to be very difficult. Okay, you see things on the other side to be easy, to start getting easier, because of how spiritually you are getting along with that person, on how well connected you're actually getting along with that person. Okay, these are some of the things which makes women to truly fall in love with you. You need to be compatible. You need to understand each other's weakness. You need to know that, oh, this is my strength of my partner, this is my weakness of my partner. The second thing a woman will truly need and fall in love with you is that you need to show some leadership qualities. It's very bad and very unfortunate that most men this time around, just because he loves a woman, you are so dear to this kind of a woman, you start even accepting some of the things which are not even building up that relationship. You start tolerating some of the things which are not actually, making your lives better in that relationship. You need to be the kind of a man where your no have to be no, your yes you have to be yes, and you have to be standing your ground most of the times. It's not all about commanding, but no, there's some initiative. There's this gift a man is blessed with when it comes to leadership. More especially, if you're the kind of a person who is matured, you'll be able to lead a woman through that wisdom. Okay, a woman will get attracted to a man whereby when she's doing some silly things which are not actually making well or fine with you, you have to be there to stand the ground, to tell her that, no baby, this is the red flag for me. I want to be taking this and this and this and this and this. If you want me to, women get to be attracted. Okay, most of the times weak men, okay, they think that by so being too nice to women, that's when they'll get to be loved. But unfortunately, the truth of the matter is, such men are always being taken for granted, and they're lessly given respect by women, because they will be treated anyhow, they'll be taken anyhow, and women won't feel the impact of those such kind of men. So it's very important as a man, you need to be showing your leadership quality. Teach her, be like a teacher to her. Tell her on how you need that relationship to lead on. Yes, there might be those times, there might be those periods whereby she'll also come with some advices. You need to listen to her, but be a man, you should always be spearheading things positively and also responsibly. The last one, let me also talk about inspire her to be better. Okay, inspire her to be better. Make her to be involving in some things. If it's like some careers, if there are some trades, if there's, make her to be better. Okay, from the level that she met you, make sure that, no, she keep gradually improving her life because of things that you're actually encouraging her, things that you're actually motivating her, things that you're actually, that she's getting inspired from you. Be the kind of a person who is very ambitious. Women also love men who are ambitious. They have plans, they have focused future, the strategically things which they want actually just to be doing. And women get to be curious and get to be interested to be staying in that relationship because they know that they are living with a responsible man. They know that they're actually living with a man who is well matured, who knows what he's doing, who is also very capable. If you find this video to be very helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. Let me know what you think about this video. Share a thought in the comment section below. Subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. Stay blessed and stay tuned.